Hey you guys, this is your girl Inga here. I know I have been MIA, but back in full effect right now. So let's get on with this video. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like these videos, and turn on your notifications. So today I am doing a lip balm recipe for you guys, and it's gonna be the bomb. So this is especially great if you're in the lip gloss business or you're just starting. If you have a cosmetic line, you can add these lip balms rather to your line, and they sell very well, and I think it'll be a great addition. So these are all of the butters that I have here, and we'll go into them a little bit later, but I just wanted you guys to know that hey, you're not limited to just selling just glosses and lipsticks. You can also add other things to your line that you need to sell. So I have all of the oils, like I said, the flavorings, the butters, and the wax. We're going to be using beeswax today, and what we're going to be doing is the double broiler method. The reason being, this is much safer and it keeps all of the nutrients in the butter. So this is a good method. You don't want it overheating or anything, so this definitely will work. Like I said, the double broiler method. So we have here the shea butter, the beeswax, and the murmur butter. I think the murmur butter is especially great for lip products like balms and lipstick. So you can actually use the murmur butter. I'll go ahead and link everything in the description box below, but it's displayed right here. I'm giving you a better look of a better idea of what they look like and what I'm talking about. So the first one is the yellow beeswax, and then in between that I have the murmur butter. I know I'm not saying that correctly. Right there. And next to that, I have the cocoa butter. That I'll be using that also. And then I have my vitamin E. I'm using sweet almond oil. And I have a mixture of flavorings such as, I think that was toasted caramel, and I cannot leave the peppermint oil out because it gives it a really, really cooling effect on the lips. So that's a definite yes for some kind of minty flavoring inside of these balms. So with that being said, I'm just going to go ahead and turn the burner on and let this water heat up a bit. And then we're going to first add in our beeswax. And then we're going to just let that melt in. So just pay careful attention. I will definitely have the measurements listed in the description box below for you guys. And that's the beeswax right there. And then I'm going to be adding the shea butter in this order. Next will be the murmur butter. And after that, I'm just going to add the cocoa butter in also. So you don't have to add them in the order that I did, but I would suggest that you add in the beeswax first, my preference, because they tend to take a little longer to melt than the other butters. And as you can see, I'm also pouring the vitamin E and the sweet almond oil during this phase. So everything right now is all set and it's heating up, and then we're just gonna watch, and right before our eyes we're gonna watch these butters become liquidy. So it's not too much of a slow process, but it's also not a fast process because we want to give it a slow simmer, and this way all of the benefits will remain in the balm itself. So I'm just gonna stir it consistently, make sure everything is incorporated well. This is very important, to give it a nice stir as you go along. And as you can see here, the beeswax is taking a bit longer to dissolve than the other waxes, than the other butters, sorry. So this mixture here will make approximately or about 5 of the lip balm tubes. And like I said earlier, I will have all of the measurements listed in the description box below. Also, I'll have a link to my Amazon storefront where you guys can go and purchase them also. So these are the tubes, the lip balm tubes that I was telling you guys about. This mixture should make about 10 tubes, and if I don't have enough of the tubes, I'll just use the little pots to pour the remaining in. So this is the toasted caramel. It's from One-on-One Flavors, and I'll put their link in the description box below. I like their flavors also. I think it's a company in Nevada, and no, this is not a sponsored video. It's just a little throw in for them. Yeah, and so right now I have the liquid from the broiler, and I'm adding the flavors in, as you can see. So right here, this has to be a quick process because it solidifies immediately, so you have to work fast right here. But remember to stir in the liquids, give it a good stir so everything is incorporated well, as you can see. And also, let me just put this in there from my experience. If it starts to solidify, you can just take it and place it back over the other portion of the broiler that you use, and just stir it in constantly, and it will begin to melt like that, or easily. So here is the stirring process of it. Yeah, so make sure you give this a nice stir because we don't want the flavors to be like not balanced, I should say. So right here, I'm just pouring them into the empty lip balm tubes, and we're gonna see how quickly they solidify. This mixture will make at least 10 lip balm tubes. I went back and I remembered that I did have a few left, and I found them, and I think I have like, I had 7 in total, and then I still use the little pots. So yeah, and when you're filling them, I suggest you go completely like to the rim. Like just fill it as if you're overfilling them, because if you don't, they will have a little like sink in the middle. And when you're doing it, if you try this, then you would see what I'm talking about, because I encountered a few of those little sinks also. Like I said, just fill them to the rim. I actually got 3 bombs out of the remaining liquid with these little clear pots. Thing about it, this is, I enjoy just watching them solidify. It's so satisfying. So there you can see the hardening process, and this is such a quick and easy way to make just a few extra dollars along with any line that you have. And I shouldn't just say cosmetic or lip gloss. You don't have to limit this to anything. You will get a professional, like bought out of the store, lip balm when you try this method. So I suggest you go ahead and just give this a try, and it smells amazing. You get the mint flavor, the cocoa butter, and all of the other butters, and the toasted caramel. Oh, it's an amazing scent and feel on the lips, and voila, you have your very own lip balms. So I'm just going to show you at the end a quick example of what the packaging looks like. Actually, I have 2 colors, a lime and white packaging and a pink and white packaging. So I'm out of the lime and white lip balm, so I will be showing you guys the pink and white packaging only. So these are the 2 tubes here labeled, and like I said, it's the pink and white only. And the template I got from Etsy, if you're wondering where did I get the labels from. And I designed them in Canva. If you guys want to see a video on this, then let me know in the comments below. So this is the end of this video. I will see you guys in my next video where I will be doing the Fuchsia Flex by Rihanna. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.